What is gratuity? How much you will receive? What is the calculation for gratuity amount? How it works? What the eligibility criteria? The employer can either pay the gratuity quantum out of their own fund or settle for a general gratuity insurance plan through a service provider. The company also makes periodic benefactions to the service provider, and in exchange, the insurance company can pay the hand's gratuity quantum if the policy rules and regulations are followed. The employer pays the entire gratuity quantum, with no benefactions from the hand. Gratuity is a form of money that an employer pays to an employee who has completed his or her service. It is a part of the salary and hence, it is not taxed. A person who has rendered continuous service for not less than 5 years in any government department or undertaking, whether or not a public sector undertaking, shall be entitled to receive at his retirement, or termination of his service, a gratuity equal to 1 month's average pay for every completed year of service and proportionate part thereof in excess of 5 years. The calculation of gratuity amount is done in accordance with the provisions of Gratuity Act, 1972, and the employer has to pay this gratuity amount within 30 days from the date of termination, and it should be paid in cash or through check. When to claim gratuity? An employee will claim or are eligible to say this quantity from their organization at the time of retirement, precisely. On the opposite hand, the nominee can claim the gratuity amount on superannuation of service or account of the worker's untimely demise. If any employee suffers from disabilities ensuing from any sickness or accident, they can be eligible to claim gratuity. In case of death or disabilities of the claimant, the continuation of service for a minimum amount of 5 years won't be valid. The nominee or the employee will not be eligible to claim this gratuity amount if the termination of the service is on account of death or accident. In case of death of the claimant, if the nominee may be a minor, a chosen dominant authority can deposit the total gratuity amount to a bank or the other monetary institution, for that matter of fact. The legal heir or the nominee are eligible to ask for the amount regarding gratuity later. The calculation of gratuity amount as per Gratuity Act can be done by multiplying the basic salary of an employee with the number of completed years of service. The formula can be basic salary *15 number of years served 26. The Act provides for a maximum limit on gratuity at 20 lakh rupees. Here, basic salary includes the basic pay and dearness allowance, DAR, if any. DAR is calculated on the basis of Consumer Price Index, CPI. DAR rate varies as per company policy, industry and location. In some cases, it may be fixed at 10%. The current DAR rate for central government employees in India is 38%. Facts about gratuity. In case of death of the employee, the nominee or dependent family member of the employee can the gratuity amount. The taxation for this is calculated for the receiver under the head income from other sources. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now for further interest HR topics. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Till then, take care.